Hey cruising crew, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be giving you a full tour of our balcony stateroom on board the MSC Seashore. So when you first walk into the room, there's a bathroom. We will check that out in just a minute. But first, let's check out the actual stateroom. So when you first walk in, you have kind of a living room sitting area. So behind me is gonna be the closet, which on a cruise ship, closet space is very limited. It's a precious commodity. On the other side of the closet, you've got some drawer space and actually a safe. As you move further into the room, there is a mini bar. So the fridge is built into a pretty good sized desk. One thing that I'm always curious about before we come on cruise ships, and it's really hard to actually find this information, is what kind of charging plugs they have in the room. So it looks like they do have the standard like US plugs, but they also have a few plugs with the European conversion. So if you're sailing out of the US, maybe you have a converter, a European converter, and then you get some extra outlets. So before we go and check out the beautiful view of our balcony cabin, let's go check out the bathroom. You guys, I mentioned that cruise ship bedrooms are small, but cruise ship bathrooms are some of the smallest in the world. This one's actually bigger than most of the other cruise ships I've been on. So the last thing on our tour today is the view from our balcony. Let's go check it out.